Welcome to this video. In this video, you're going to learn the best chat prompts you can use for writing, content creation, and copywriting. If this is your first time of watching my video, I make videos on blogging tips, SEO, and how to make money online. So subscribe to this channel to get notification whenever I make new videos. So back to the video. What are chatbot prompts? Prompts are instructions given to a chatbot, for example, ChatGPT, to perform a particular function. For example, these are prompts. Examples. These three things are prompts. Let's see if I click on this, or this, or any of these. But let me click on this and click send. So as you can see, it has generated a write-up on this prompt. So this is an example of prompt. If I want to change it, change it to 60. It will give a different result. So prompt is very important for ChatGPT to be able to give you a good write-up for your business or for your site. So it is very important you use the right prompt when using ChatGPT. To get a good result, I usually use this prompt, a Chrome extension called AIPRM for ChatGPT. Go to Google, type this AIPRM for ChatGPT, then click on it. Then add to Chrome, add extension, and it's downloading. So I've added the Chrome extension, so I'll continue. Click on continue. So I'm going to connect this Chrome extension to ChatGPT by signing up. I have read and agreed to the terms and conditions. Then click on connect with. Then this is optional. You can click on this or leave it the way it is. Then scroll down, click on continue. And after you've done that, a verification email will be sent to your Google account. So verify it. Then after verification, you can click on this connect with OpenAI account. Then we have successfully connected it to the OpenAI account, that is ChatGPT. And you can click on this start working in ChatGPT. Then this is it. So all these prompts you are seeing here are some of the prompts created by the users. So you can select any of these prompts whenever you want to write an article or you want to create content. So let's say I want to write an article. So I'll scroll down and look for any of these prompts that best suits what I want to do. So for this video, I will love this human written 100% unique SEO optimized article. So whenever you see a prompt you like that best describe what you want to do. Click on it. After you click on it, this will appear. Then put in your keyword or the title of what you want to write. So the title of what I want to write is, let's say, how to use ChatGPT. Then after it's done that, you click on send. Then look at this. The tool, you can leave this in as default, writing style default. So it's not necessary you change all this before you send. It's optional. It's best if you leave it at default and writing style also at default, unless you want it to be poetic. This has not finished generating the article. You can see it stop here. It stopped here. So what are you going to do whenever ChatGPT is writing an article and it's very obvious that it didn't finish up the article? You don't need to restart it. All you have to do is to send another prompt for it to continue. Tell it to continue. What you're going to do is to click on this box and click and type continue. So it has finished generating the article on how to use ChatGPT. As you can see, it even generated a good title for this article. So this prompt is very good to generate article, to create content of writing. So after you've done that, what you have to do is to copy this. What I used to do is, after ChatGPT has generated an article for me or content, what I do is to copy it, paste on where I want to publish it, then edit it. I have to edit it. I usually edit this article before I publish it. In editing, I mean adding more points to the article, and also for punctuation and spellings if there's any mistake on the article. So that is how to use ChatGPT to generate content or for writing. So if you want to start another write-up or another article, or you want to generate another article, you can click on new chat, then you select any of the prompts that best suit what you want to do. Then for copywriting, let's say you want to use ChatGPT for copywriting. There's an option for copywriting. Okay, this is it. For copywriting, you click on copywriting. So from here you select the best prompt you can use to generate a copy. So maybe apart from copywriting, okay, you want a prompt for marketing. You want to market something. You click on marketing. There's also a prompt for productivity and even SEO. So depending on what you want, you can select it here. And also under activity, you can also select the activity. Okay, what you want to, the copyright you want to do is for call to action or marketing or outreach or whatever. Then you can also sort the prompt by top votes. I usually leave it at top votes because people have used this prompt and they like it, so I'll leave it at top vote instead of top view or latest updates. So this is how to use this Chrome extension AIP RM to generate content, copywriting, and write articles for your blog. If you have any question on this, comment below. And if you enjoyed this video, please like this video. Thanks for watching this video. I will see you in the next video.